Somebody asked me what is the difference between a regressor and a classifier. So regressor is a model which predicts a value. You give some features to the model, and based upon that it gives you the target, or you can say it gives you the label. For example, if the thing is thin, transparent and solid, it can broke, then the regressor will label it as a glass. But whereas a classifier classifies that if the email is a spam or not spam, if it is a dog or cat, these kind of things happen. This is the basic overview idea of regression and classifier. Now how the classifier works, it doesn't simply classify that this is a cat, this is a dog. No, it gives a probability. Classifier will tell us the probability. I mean, it does not exactly tell that this is a cat, this is a dog. It tells the probability that it can be it could be a dog, it could be a cat. What is logistic regression? It's a classifier. Beside that name, it is named regression. It's a classifier which works like that. First, it use linear regression. It use linear regression to predict the value of y. It predicts the weights, which is in y is equal to mx plus c, where m is a weight. It predicts the weight, and based upon that weight, we get the value of y. Now, what will happen next is that y value will go into sigmoid function. Yep, that y value will go into sigmoid function, which is a function in a uh, classifier, in logistic regression classifier, which squeeze the value between 0 and 1. No matter the value, it squeeze the value between 0 and 1. And now the nearer the value to 1, it means it is yes, and the nearer the value to 0, it means it is no. So if something is dog, the nearer the value to the 1, it means it's a dog. If not, then it's nearer to 0. So I think I am not unable to understand. I'm not unable to make you understand in that way that I am, but it's just an overview.